Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Jooble, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into Jooble, open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.jooble.org and hit enter. Once the website loads, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. You will be prompted to enter your email address in the designated field. Carefully type your registered email address. Next, move to the password field. Input your password associated with your Jooble account. After entering your email and password, double-check for any typos. If everything looks correct, click the login button to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link below the login fields. You will be directed to a new page where you can enter your email address again to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the password reset email from Jooble. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Repeat the steps to enter your email address and new password. Finally, click the login button to access your Jooble account successfully. You are now logged into Jooble and can start exploring job opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.